about to embark on a mini adventure. 2 nights, 3 days, Eastern Germany, to put to the test everything we've prepared over the last few months. And I thought perhaps you would like to come and join us. No? Well, we're going anyway.
Nice.
Why is it so low this time?
It's not funny. Not funny.
So some of the things I've been getting up to prepare for this tour have included sort of what I call the fundamentals, which if you're going solo or even in a group are pretty much must do skills, and number one is the ability to fix a puncture on your bike. Now obviously if you tube like me, that's a little bit more work, but just honing the skills, getting it done so you know what you're doing, you're a bit more self-sufficient. And even if you're running tubeless tyres, if you've got an old tyre, just practice. It's little things that always let you down, like, you know, maybe the glue you use for your bacon strips is all dried up, check it, you know. Picking up your bike, that's another good one. And you might think, okay, yeah, but I ride in a group, but you know, I've been in situations out in the middle of the desert, we've had no comms, and I've often thought, what if one of us goes down, the other one's gonna have to go to get help, and then what if that person creams in, you know, just a basic drop over, and then they can't pick the bike up, and your mate's, you know, a few k's back, absolutely in bits. So it's really important. I think they're the fundamental skills, and then anything else you want to lay on top, it's all good stuff. So we get to the meeting point in a minute, we'll meet the lads, hook up, and then we're going to do about a 100k route up to a camping plat somewhere that hopefully Jace has sorted out, settle for the night, and that's the first test. That'll be getting all our camping kit out. Does it work? How does it function? How is it situated in the bags? You know, just fine-tuning stuff. We've all done this quite a lot now, so you know there's not a lot to learn, but always fine-tuning. Even the setup now I've got on my bike is a slightly different from last time, you know. So yeah, okay.
I've got an emergency charging cable.
Right, are we all ready, chaps? You good, Jason? Oh, okay. Jason's not ready. It's all right. That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh right, okay. Well, there you go. Good start. Good start. Oh, we're going the wrong way. No, I'm joking. Yeah, quite a nice steady ride up. 11 degrees, I mean it could be worse. I think tomorrow's going to be a bit better, but we'll see how it goes. But what do you expect? It's only the start of April, so I'm not expecting 30 degrees in the shade, you know. Good. Provisions acquired, onwards and upwards. You ready? What's he doing now? Right, let's get it on. Clear, clear. I guess it's there. Right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to U-turn round here now, and then you can all follow me, sort of thing. And I'll just stay here, and then we'll go and investigate. Great little campsite. This is costs €8 a night for each of us. Right next to this beautiful river. And you just basically get your money together and throw it in that letterbox, and that's it. Happy days. Well happy, aren't we, lads? Well happy.
Loving it.
Loving it.
Hot water as well.
Hot water, showers
Not
are
on a
free.
meter.
They've got a little little restaurant up there, haven't they?
Yeah.
Where you can have some fast food and
Refrigerated
stuff.
cold
Beers on a little machine. You just help yourself. Pretty good. Well happy. Right, let's get ourselves sorted out. So Gavin, you bought a brand new tent, I see, but it's the same as the old one.
There's a few changes.
All right. Why did you get a new one?
Because when I packed it in Finland, I packed it quite tight.
Yeah.
And these metal rings for the adjustment rub through on the ground sheets.
What, when it was packed up?
Yeah, when riding.
Okay. That's a bit shit, isn't it? Perfect size, that. I'm looking at something like that.
And it's piece to set up.
Yeah.
You just chuck the pole. There's a line up in the poles here.
Yeah.
Just chuck them in, pick the back two down, put it long, pick the front two, and it all just sets itself up. And the fly sheet's connected to the inner as well.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about it.
So it's just, that's it. Yeah. There's no piss. Even if it's raining then, it doesn't matter. No. Whereas mine, I have to set the inners first and then throw the thing on top. Yeah. I like it. Like it. Right, so let's just go through everyone's culinary. Oh, is that the right word? What we're eating, right? So I've got a tin of soup. Nice one.
Very nice.
Gav, what are you? Let's just swing round to Gav.
I'm roughing it. I've got
Ow! Take me in on that. It's not even funny. Why is it so low this?
It's not funny. Not funny.
Yeah, go on.
so
I've got concussion.
I'm roughing it with pork steaks with paprika sauce.
Yeah. Well, Jake, hang on.
Inbred.
Yeah.
It's not inbred, it's inbred.
Yeah. With bread bats and a Jägermeister chaser. What's Jason got for his evening meal?
I've got a German delight. For all our German viewers out there, will probably know what that is. It's a potato
camel ball.
Yeah, let's call it camel balls. Keep everyone happy.
Yeah.
Then I've got my mushrooms and onions that I've done, and this is my what's it called?
Venison. Is that deer?
That is deer. My venison.
Literally venison.
Yes.
Unbelievable. I mean, you can live it rough, can't you? Or you can just live in style on the road.
Indeed, whatever you choose. You don't. Oh no, Gav.
I slipped.
Oh, okay.
Here we go then.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, cheers. 7 o'clock in the morning now, nice and early. Looks like it's going to be an absolutely amazing day. Should be going across a little ferry in a minute as we continue heading north. Well, this is very nice, isn't it? I think we'll get on. I think so. Maybe.
There's a little nip here. I can't put my thing down.
Again, it's not my problem. Weather's better on this side though.
It's not that easy finding legal off-road sections to ride in Germany, but using my trusty off-road atlas, I'd found a 22-kilometre easy off-road section, and that would be our next stop. Things. Need to get more film. It's easy just to keep going.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride. No, film it.
Turn around and wait for you, and then you do drive-by on this.
What? Yeah, but I want all three of us to just. That's all right, but it's limited to what it can do.
Stay in your own fucking swim lane.
Yeah, or you can take over all the camera if you want. I'll give you it all. It's really heavy. Thank you, Jason.
I've got your back, Steve. I've got your back. You fuck.
Jog on.
Stop. My bad.
No. Get over. Give gas. Give gas. Give gas. Give gas. Give gas. Stop. There we go. There we go. Find its way, let it find its way, let it find its way, don't fight it, let it find its way, come on, let it find.
Okay, it's a big sandy section earlier, I didn't get it on film obviously, so it didn't happen. So that concludes our little off-road extravaganza. It's very, very difficult to ride off-road legally in Germany, so you've got to take it as it comes. But still, it was a bit of fun. Got us riding through some sand. Yeah. So we're going to head now, heading sort of a bit more south, heading sort of towards home. About 100, what have I got, 91 k's. Get some more provisions for tonight and then see what the campsite's like.
Pizza live at the bar of Chicana. Deep inside, it's a deep inside. Right, here we are then. So this whole arena, I didn't get any of that on camera. This whole arena is for tenters, and we're the only three saddies here, which is unsurprising, really. Yeah, obviously. Yeah. Right, let's get the kit out. Cheers, Gav.
Cheers, mate.
All the best, mate.
And another proof point actually while we're here is, and this is why it's important to shake out, check everything. My sleeping pad, the valve on it, that got sucked inside the sleeping pad. They're like the diaphragm that lets air in and out. That got sucked inside, so I'm gonna have to see if we can get a replacement for that. And I knew it was on the way out, but I decided it'd be all right. And funnily enough, it isn't. So if I was out on my major tour now, I would be not in a great place. So that's what I mean. The importance is just a weekend away to check, test, check and test again all your kit and your bike and your skills. It's all worth doing. So go and see. Meanwhile, see, everybody's busy. Everybody's doing stuff. You see what Jason, head chef Jason's up to. Look at this. I mean, that looks like some kind of amazing burgers going on there. What he's making. And that's another concept we've sort of been running from Finland onwards. Instead of everybody just tucking into boiling the bags and everybody carrying it, what we do is mid-afternoon, supermarket, provisions, use all our cookers. As you can see, he's got all three on the go at the same time, like some kind of Gordon Ramsay. And then you can get decent food, you know, and a pretty low cost as well. You know, this is, look at that. Premium hamburgers. We're eating like kings here. And then you get a good meal inside you, and then you're off to sleep. And obviously some beer. Kidding me, mushrooms. Bloody mushrooms.
With onion.
With onion, well, obviously always onion.
Gotta have onion, my friend.
Look at this. Amazing. I mean, that little griddle thing is just like, it's like the ultimate, isn't it?
Right, guys. There's mustard. There's some sauce. There's a burger. Oh, and you asked for a starch, so I'm giving you a starch. Potato.
Like potato salad?
Yeah.
Potato salad?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Unbelievable.
Well, that's it. Fried potato. Come on. Dig in.
Get it while it's hot. Thank you very much, Jason. Mucho gracias. Amazing. Good night, Gavin. Good night. Good night, Jason.
Good night, Jason. Good
Yeah, so that's us all packed up now, ready to go. And it's achieved its aim this weekend. We've all noticed sort of minor tweaks that we need to do to our kit. Nothing major, but still nevertheless worth doing. Thank you so much for watching. Got any comments, whack them below, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay safe and keep riding. Bye bye.
Easy to service. No one wants to nick it. What's there not to love?
Don't force me out of burning your society.
Gaster on the other hand.
Push me down the road you've been.
Is it shit?
Don't try to fix my head. It's just